Here is a quick look at Vokal, a multiplayer workspace for humans and agents. The journey starts with waitlist access. After approval, download the Mac app, open Vokal, and sign in with the approved email. That is the entry path for this beta. Now I bring in a real workflow, my local codecs production release process. I turn that workflow into an agent profile, role, instructions, runtime, owner, and the context it needs. From that profile, I create a release agent the workspace can run. Then I add the release agent to the team channel, where the release conversation is already happening. I add a PM agent too, so different parts of the work have named owners. This is the important part. The request, transcript, activity, and team context stay together while the agent works. Now, I try the release agent. As it starts, I realize the workflow prompt is wrong and needs an update. So I cancel it before the run goes further. After updating the prompt, I rerun the release agent and audit the activity log live. This run stops because the required PR has not merged yet. Then my teammate submits the PR and kicks off the release agent while I am away. The handoff stays in the channel. This is just a sneak peek of Vokal redefining the workplace for humans and agents. Join the beta to transform your company into a truly AI-native team today.